Welcome back, welcome home. It's Justin, your local real estate agent. I hope you're having an excellent, amazing day. We gotta talk. We gotta talk today about this. A lot of people are telling me that the winter time is the worst time to sell a house. I call myth. Let's get started. We're gonna talk two big myths that I always hear with wintertime sales. Myth one, there are no buyers. No one's out there. It's cold, it's the holidays, they're home with the kids, they're hibernating like bears. Listen, there are ready, willing, and able buyers looking to purchase a house right now. November, December, January, February, even October, they're out there. Now, in my realtor brain, when I hear there are no buyers during the winter, it translates to there are fewer buyers in the winter as opposed to the spring or the summer. That's accurate. But there are also very, very few window shopper buyers. You know, the people who are looking at houses now, but they're not really ready. Maybe in a year or two, they'll be looking to really purchase. But right now, you know, looking around, looking at your cutlery, looking at the layout you got, everything looks great, but they're not putting in an offer. We're here for offers. We're looking to sell. The people that are out there though, during the winter, when it's cold, maybe they're home with their kids, maybe they're preparing for the holidays themselves, they're overcoming all these inconveniences to come out and see your house. They're motivated. We want them. Let's bring them in. That's good. Myth two, no one else is selling a house right now, so this must be the worst month to sell a house or the worst season. Okay, we got to talk about this one. Let me use a rush hour analogy. Hopefully it makes sense to you, okay? When we sell in the winter, that is the best time for us to get to our destination. Why? There's less competition, right? Everyone else, they're waiting spring, summer, right? The roads are clear. We can get to where we want to go fast. Because the motivated buyers, the very motivated buyers that are out looking now, have very few options. Instead of 15 or 20 homes that might be similar to ours, there's 1, 2, 3. We increase our chances of standing out because no one else is standing up. It's good for us. But when we wait for spring and summer, yes, there'll be more buyers. There'll also be a lot more window shoppers, but there's also a lot more competition. It's crowded. And personally, if I don't have to leave anywhere during rush hour, I don't, because I don't want a 30-minute trip, that should be a 30-minute trip, to take an hour or an hour and a half. I'll be stuck on a very crowded bus or train. This is what we're doing when we're waiting for the summer or the spring markets, when everyone else gets on the road too. Now, doesn't mean you can't sell during the spring and summer. Definitely great. You can sell year round. This is my experience. Price it right. Let's get strong marketing. You can sell whenever you want. But let's take advantage of the time we got now while everyone else is kind of waiting, because we can really get great offers now. I don't know. Let's go. Let's go. We got a couple of winter specific advantages that we can also use. First, winter specific advantage, the one I love, home staging. Right? We got our house set up for the holidays. Look how warm and inviting and welcoming your house can feel to people coming in. When they have that feeling coming into your house, guess what they're imagining? What's it gonna be like for me and my family when we own this? Right? That's what we want. Yes, money's on the line, financial investment. People are thinking about those things too. But that emotional attachment, the ability to see themselves creating memories that'll last a lifetime, especially when it's their primary residence. That's what we're there for. You got the home set up beautifully for the holidays. People feel in love from the moment they step in. That's gonna really be a strong attraction for a lot of buyers to really consider putting in a great offer for your house. Now, if you have that Thanksgiving set up in July, they might have some questions for you. I'm just saying. But during holiday season, it makes perfect sense. Second thing, is the holidays themselves. A lot of people want to be home for the holidays. That's the slogan. So now if we're on the market September, October, okay, they got a great chance to be in November, December, and they can enjoy the holidays with themselves and their families. Sounds like great motivation to me for people who are already highly motivated to buy. Now, last thing, this is not winter specific. This is a now versus later argument, because if we already made up our minds to sell and it's just a matter of when, well, now we got to consider these things. Okay? First thing we got to consider in now versus later are carrying costs, right? You own the house. There's certain costs associated with owning it. Maybe you still have a mortgage, taxes, insurance, flood insurance, HOA fees. Whatever those expenses are, you're paying them the longer you stay in the house, right? They could be adding up to a pretty penny. If you're selling the house sooner, they're gone. Now, especially if you're looking to buy another house or you already have your other house that you want to go to, you're in good shape. You can start focusing the money that you would spend on your current place that you just sold. That money can be transferred into your new home, whether you're going to be doing upgrades, maintenance, putting more equity into it, starting with your mortgage payments on your new place. All right, that's a good swap. Last thing, a lot of us who are looking to sell, hey, I want to wait till after the holidays before I put my house on the market. I want to enjoy it with my family. I don't want people coming through. Overstood makes plenty of sense to me. January 1st, be first out the gate. People are still waiting for spring and summer. They're not ready yet. People who have been on the market, a lot of their homes expired on December 31st. They didn't sell. And then a lot of those folks are not immediately looking to resell. So we got this nice little window carved out where it's real quiet in the marketplace. And your home can make a lot of noise and get a lot of great offers coming in. So don't knock the winter. The winter has its own unique advantages that we don't get during other seasons. It's a great time to stand out and stand strong with your home. And then you can plan where you want to be next pretty easily. So don't write off the winter right off the bat. It's got a lot of unique advantages. Give it a chance. It's a great season. Okay? Now, if you have any questions specifically for me, drop them down in the comments below. Of course, be sure to slam that subscribe button and the like, and enjoy the next video. I'll see you next week. Bye.